Hello, I'm Satomi URA from Meisei University, Tokyo, Japan. Today, I'm going to present my study about languaging as marketing and promotion strategies. Before going to study, let me talk about the background. Culinary business became important industry for Japanese economy. This industry produced large employment past years. However, pandemic situation is pretty serious for employees and business owners. Customers' point of view this situation. People all over the world have been facing lockdown and restriction of social life. What we can do in this situation is cultivation. Cultivating people's motivation for the post-pandemic world. Research question for this study is what can we do for cultivation with languaging? The reason why I use language as a verb, I view language wider as action. And research question is what triggers emotional engagement of potential customers? In this study, I employ an approach mediated discourse analysis. This comes from adaptation of social cultural theory. The focus of mediated discourse analysis is not only discourse, but whole intersection of social practice. For data collection, I have been observing the project in the university. This ongoing project consisted by multidisciplinary groups. It's complicated structure, but developing digital product by using cultural resource from Georgia. And finally, demonstrating the project in the restaurant, which will help revitalize the restaurant business. How to promote market and Georgia wine. Number one, social media promotion. And number two, information technology tool development. I see the research site with wider view. However, in this presentation, I focus on Instagram posting. As a framework to see the Instagram posting, I employ the concept of empathy. Product development follows design thinking process in order to create user-oriented product. First step, start with empathy. Empathy is first and most important process. Following data analysis, use empathy framework. Instagram is social media network. Instead of words, sharing image and videos are main resource of this platform. Visual image and design are part of language. Instagram is the cultural powerhouse today. As marketing and promotion strategy, the project applied this platform to promote Georgia wine here. Let me show you the content a little bit. All posts want to grab attention and build emotional connection with potential customers. Are they all the same? Five team day by day posted message and images. Large part of sharing are general information. Empathy comes from imagination of a customer need. Customers are craving travel and a new experience. So the teams posted wine and food and building beautiful scenery as a general information. This general empathy can provide a sense of time and space, actually, and intriguing travel, beautiful scenery. However, these things everybody can find on the web search. How can we increase emotional engagement of potential customers? Advanced empathic approach is needed to grab attention. Instead of general information, past research revealed tourism industry storytelling could make tourists emotionally involved. Nikita and Tanaka's study showed that it can be applied to culinary business as well. In the posting, one of the team posted different type of messages. Okami team. Okami means mistress of travel lodge of or traditional Japanese hotel. One of the team member of Team Okami described her experience as novice of wine who encountered wine first time in her life. Her description is so natural and ordinary life taste. One day, she bought a bottle of wine, but she couldn't open the cork. And she said, I will try it later. And after a week, she managed to open the bottle. But at that time, she said, I didn't know how to describe it because I don't drink any alcohol usually. A week old wine much tasted better. So it's funny story, but she's very serious. And red part described the continuity of engagement. And the final post is she's reporting about the final day of the first semester. And this collage picture tells her reflection, what she had done in the first semester. And also she mentioned that she will create more attractive content. So series of messages posted every Friday can provide closeness and intimacy for potential customers. This small piece of analysis brought a conclusion this time. Stories which are showing ordinary life could give more intimacy connection to the readers and the potential customers. As marketing strategy, adapting story could make difference of cultivating potential customers. Thank you for your time and attention.